ubuzima buragoye buragora ndumva twese tugeze guca mu buzima bukomeye. Nabonye uyu mugabo uraho ngaho urabona shesha kangwe yari yicaye ahantu bamesera imyenda, urabona ko atameze neza. Ikintu cya mbere nifuzaga kumufasha n'ibintu bigendana n'amafunguro. Namubajije niba akeneye amafunguro, arambwira ngo arayakeneye. Ubwo rero yansabye ko njya muri duka hafi aho ngaho kumugurira ibyo kurya. Yari yamye ngo akeneye sandwich, kandi ndumva yamufasha kuba ari gutanya no kwira. Nagari n'amafaranga menshi n'amadolari 3 n'amasenta angahe. Nicyo kunywa nacyo cyari ngombwa, nibura abashe kubona icyo kunywa kamufatire yikoka nini, benshi bayitaga ofono, yavaga Uganda iwacu. Kamushire arye. Nkuko nabivuze, tukunda guhura n'ibibazo bikomeye mu buzima. Njyewe ndabizi neza yuko ko ubwacu twafashijwe n'abandi, kandi nkuko nkunda kubivuga muri dusangire, reka tujye dusangirana urukundo, dusangirana ubumuntu, duharanire kwibikira byo mu ijuru. Ndabizi neza yuko ko imitima yacu itajye twemerera cyane kuba mu rukundo kubera ubutunzi bwo mu isi cyangwa amarari yo mu isi, ariko reka tuhaguruke. Umwami Yesu yabidusabye muri Matayo 25:36 nkunda kuvuga. Tunibuka no muri Yohana 15:12 yadusigiye itegeko yo gukundana. Ntabwo yabidusabye ko dukundana, yaradutegetse ko dukundana.
Did you go to school? Oh, you didn't go to school.
I don't have to go back.
You wanna
I want to go to work.
You wanna go to work?
Oh.
Did you work before? Oh, you never work? Oh. But you're ready to go to work? I agree with you, man. That's the only thing you can do. How you gonna do it? You gonna go back to school?
That's too much of it.
Oh, too much. Oh, I see. Let's see. How are you gonna do it then? Do you know how to do some work?
Yes,
Like what?
driving.
Driving?
Yes.
Oh, you know driving. You have a driver's license too? Oh, cool. Like a big truck? There you go, man. I agree with you. You can do it. You know, life is ups and downs.
Byari ngombwa ko
Today may be down.
mbasha no kumuha amafaranga makeya amufasha mu bihe biri imbere.
And I like your name, John. It's in the Bible. You Christian?
Dukora aya video nta kindi tuba tugamije uretse gukangurirana hagati yacu, kugira urukundo no kugira ubumuntu. Wowe bishobora kugukora ubu ngubu ugatangira gukora n'uwibaza ese ndabihera hehe. Mbere na mbere nakohereza ugasoma Imigani 17, mbabarire 19, 17. Wamara gusoma aho ngaho, ahandi hantu badakunda kutwigisha cyane ni hariya nkunda kuvuga muri Matayo 25. Gwe ushatse wahera kuri 30 ukamanura kuri 40, urahita wumva ibyaturutse umunwa, byaturutse mu mvugo y'umwami wacu Yesu Kristo. Nuko rero bavandimwe, ndabasaba gukora subscribe no gusangiza abandi. Ndashimira abantu bose wowe uza gufata intambwe yo gutangiza umutima w'urukundo no gusangiza abatishoboye.